like me. Now, this is somewhat of a little, it could be a little provocative in one or two lines, so I'll kind of, edit it to fit the mood. But here's to the woman like me. A woman who dared to take a walk of what looks like crazy on an ordinary day. Here's to the woman like me, a woman who embraced uncertainty and failed to plan every single detail of their lives because they trust in the chance of what-ifs, wanderlust, and adventure. Here's to the woman like me, woman whose thoughts flow deeper than the tongue of the ocean, attempting to drown those who try to swim but cannot dive. Here's to the woman like me, woman who take risk and fuck up and stumble and fall and get back up again, wiser, taller, and stronger than before. Here's to the woman like me, woman unapologetic and free, unafraid of being themselves in their true essence, without pretense, with imperfections, with vulnerability, with conviction. Here's to the woman like me, woman who burn your stereotypes with the fire of their divergent originality. Here's to the woman like me, woman who are too busy to abide by your rules because we're breaking our own. Here's to the woman like me, woman who love immensely, authentically, truthfully, and freely, giving their lover and lovers the freedom to do the same and in return be loved and be loved. Here's to the woman like me, woman who are unwritten and can't fit in any of your societal boxes. That's right. Here's to the woman like me, woman who most men deem too good to be true, but fantasize day and night, but are afraid and too weak and powerless to make their reality. Here's to the woman like me, women who are just friggin' fed up having to explain their personal choices of love, life, and free will to those who fail to accept and respect beings as they are, even as themselves. Here's to the woman like me, woman of power and ancestral power fueled by an ancestral magic only a chosen few get to experience, but all feel the warmth of its magnetic glow. Here's to the woman like me, women who are intimidating to the woman who see us as a reflection of who they are, yet yearn to fail to become because they envy instead of a mirror. Here's to the woman like me, women who compete in imaginary races daily created by women who are unqualified and ill-equipped to walk the same path. Here's to the woman like me, woman void of ill intention, who offer knowledge and impart wisdom and guidance to the women who seek to liberate themselves and shine in their truths. Here's to the woman like me, women who hurt and heal from the tears of their medicinal ocean. Here's to the woman like me, women who grow like wild weeds from life storms and become wild and wise flowers, knowing when to bloom and when to die. Here's to the woman like me, woman who creates water, nourish, grow, feed, and sustain life with passion. Here's to the woman like me, woman who run with wolves and tame lions and lambs and shed their skins without even knowing. Here's to the woman like me, woman who sets ritualistic intentions and manifest visions and create moon magic from their wombs. Here's to the woman like me, woman leading kings and working queens to sit on their rightful thrones to rule their own destiny. Here's to the woman like me, women who are unapologetically authentic